Hey guys, welcome back to Chop Shop Choice. Check this out. This is IMAGINEXT, but they partnered with Monsters University, the awesome Disney Pixar movie. This is University Row. So this is pretty cool. It's a little Mike Wazowski, and then it's like this little playhouse castle set type thing. It looks like some of these pieces move and make noise. There's lots of little places to walk. Of course, the IMAGINEXT platforms. That spins around. Pretty awesome little set. So yeah, that's IMAGINEXT, Monsters University, University Row. Pretty cool.